Now let's move to the question number 3. Use completing the square to find the exact solution of the equation 4x square minus 4x minus 1. So we have given a quadratic equation and we have to apply the completing square method to find the solution of the equation. So we have given 4x square minus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So 2x whole square. Now let's try to apply a minus b whole square. So minus 2a, which is 2x, and times 1, and this one is equal to plus 1 minus 1, and this minus 1 is here equal to 0. This one is equals to a minus b whole square. So in this case 2x minus 1 whole square minus 2 equal to 0, and we will have 2x minus 1 whole square equals to 2. Square root both sides. So we will have 2x minus 1 is equals to plus minus under root 2, and switching negative 1 on the right side, we will have 2x is equals to 1 plus minus under root 2, and x is equals to 1 over 2 plus minus under root 2 over 2. This is the required value, or x is equals to 1 over 2 plus minus 1 over under root 2. You can write in this way. So we have calculated the required value of x. Now let's move to the part B. Unsolve the equation for tangent theta is equals to 4 plus 1 over tangent theta for theta is less than 180 and greater than 0. So first solve the given equation, which is 4 tangent of theta is equals to 4 plus 1 over tangent of theta. Okay, taking LCM on the right side, we will have tangent theta, and this one will be equal to 4 tangent theta plus 1. And this one is equal to left hand side, which is 4 tangent theta. And solving further, we will have 4 tangent square theta is equal to 4 tangent theta plus 1. Further solving, we will have 4 tangent square theta minus 4 tangent theta minus 1 equal to 0. So this is the same equation which was given in part A, like this one. So comparing with equation given in part B, 4x square minus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. And when we solve this one, we get the solution which was 1 plus minus under 2 over 2. When we compare these equations, we will have tangent theta is equals to 1 over 2 plus minus under root 2 over 2. So we have the two values of the tangent. First, we can say that tangent theta is equals to 1 over 2 plus under root 2 over 2, and we have another value which is equal to tangent theta is equals to 1 over 2 minus 1 over under root 2 over 2. When we solve it, we will have 0.5 plus 0.707, and in this case we will have 0.5 minus 0.707. This is tangent theta and this one is tangent theta. So in this case we will have tangent is equals to tangent inverse of 1.207, and in this case theta is equals to tangent inverse of negative 0.207. When we use calculator, we will have tangent is equals to negative 11.695, and when we add 180, we will have negative 11.695 plus 180, and this one is equals to the theta is equals to 168.305. Now find out the another angle, and in this case we have theta is equals to 50.358. So we have two angles, and these two angles also satisfy the given range.